slow down and stop, and at this point we're just figuring, okay, well, I can still see the road ahead of us, let's just keep going. This is a very minor road. We shouldn't have been on the road in the first place, but the sign that declared the road closed was buried in snow. The road was covered with just unbroken snow, and we were making the tracks now.
Where the hell are we? This map makes no sense. This is weird. It's totally deserted. Wait, you know what? I think we took a wrong turn back there. Jim! Jim, stop! Jim, we're in about 2 feet of snow! Jim, stop! You're making it worse! Jim, stop! Jim, stop! Stop! It's okay.
Right there was when fear hit me, like, oh, God, wow, that's a lot of snow. That's pretty deep.
It took a while to really figure out what really had just happened.
I can't believe this.
What is this stupid road anyway?
We were a little concerned, but people get stuck in the snow all the time, and it's not that much of an issue because there are other people around to help.
Oh, we are going nowhere tonight.
So we decided to just wait it out and hope for somebody to come along and help us.
Look, honey, we still got plenty of time to get to Idaho. If we don't freeze to death first.
It's not the end of the world. We'll flag somebody down tomorrow and go get us a tow truck or something.
Jim, Jennifer, and Clay spend an uneasy night in the truck. They have no idea they've driven off the Nevada backroads into the middle of a 5,000-acre wilderness.
Oh, God.
Holy shit. What is this place? There's nothing.
What have we done?
When we saw how desolate the area was, it occurred to us that that road probably wasn't very well used. And I guess there's a little bit of anger at first.
Gravel!
Because it looked main enough to us at the time.
This isn't even a paved road. How could we be so stupid?
We didn't know really where we were.
Look.
But the last town we had passed through was well over 50 miles.
The only place we can be is here. We must have left the 299 right about here.
Let me look. Wildlife refuge. God, it's huge. How are we gonna get out of here? We'll never get those too tight, crappy chains back on without tools.
To make us feel like we were doing something to help the situation, we decided to try to dig the truck out. So pretty much all day long, that's what we did.
The wind was blowing. The snow was really dry, so as fast as we could shovel it out with our hands and cups, the wind was blowing it right back in our way.
There was so much snow underneath the truck, in front of it, behind it. We really couldn't get it moved at all. This wasn't the answer. This isn't how we're gonna get out of this. but we were still kind of hopeful that somebody would notice this truck in this location or drive by, or if a plane flew overhead or something. We decided to stay with the truck. We spent time getting cozy, using clothing and towels and whatever we could find to plug up any areas where cool air was getting in. Every now and then we would turn the truck on and get the heat going and listen on the radio for any news of a search for us, but we never heard anything.
F for fries.
Fries. Oh. No.
Just decided to kill the time by playing hangman and 20 questions.
M.
No.
Oh, man.
The food issue was always right there.
C for chocolate.
Oh, God, chocolate.
Hunger wasn't quite as bad as being as thirsty as we were.
Okay.
Surviving on very dry snow.
D.
A D. No. You are dead.
Man.
Ow.
My stepson has no reason to go AWOL. He was granted leave, and he has to be at a funeral.
We were getting very concerned. We then started calling the highway patrols, and they said it's a New Year's weekend, and they had more important things that they were concerned about at that time with the road conditions the way they were than looking for a possible missing person.
Okay, but how long does it take before someone is listed as a missing person?
We were really worried, but they just couldn't help us in any way.
Yeah, I'd like to thank you for your help, except you haven't been any.
Kevin really wanted to leave, but we still had the funeral to go to.
Clayton was breastfeeding still, and we were just introducing solids into his diet. The little bits of baby food that we had left, we tried to ration to him in conjunction with breastfeeding as best we could.
You want some fruitcake? You should eat, you know.
We should have brought some real food.
We had crumbs of this bag of chips and a fruitcake, which Jennifer didn't eat. She didn't like it and didn't want it. So I ate that, and that was all we had as far as food goes.
We should see sunny spells all across western Nevada.
We knew that it's been days now and nobody's come, and we knew we were going to have to do something. And we had heard on the radio that the weather was supposed to clear up and get better on Saturday.
Listen, I've been thinking.
Nobody's coming, are they?
We can't just sit here and starve. And if the weather's gonna break, then we could walk. We could make it to the highway.
How far do you think, Jim?
Well, there can't be anything for 50 miles back the way we came. But if we go this way to the I-140, it's, I don't know, 20 miles?
How long will it take?
If we leave early tomorrow, we could be there by nightfall. If the weather guys are right.
Okay. At least we'll be together, right?
That's all that matters. we should maybe write something. Just a note to whoever might... You know, just in case.